Springtime! Woo! Hello guys, this is Pinoy Vlogger Next Door. This is a throwback vlog, by the way, my vlog 27. It's springtime here in London. Look at this magnolia tree behind me. And look at the petals, it's all over the place. I love spring. I wasn't a YouTuber and a vlogger before, and I find this video on my archives, this Singapore trip with my mom, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I know this is random videos I've taken while we were in Singapore. I hope you guys like it. And in this vlog, guys, I've met some of my good friends who live and work in Singapore, and of course my cousin JJ. Credits to him. Hello! Nandito na kami. Dumating na kami sa Singapore. Ang aming seatmate. So, nandito ang Singapore Airport. So, yan. Ano masasabi mo sa Singapore Airport?
Napakaganda. Maganda talaga.
May bati ka naman siya.
Aming seatmate siya.
Siya yung katabi namin sa aming upuan for Manila. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Wakalator. Nakakabano ba, ma'am? Mas maganda ba dito sa Manila? Ano mas maganda?
Mas maganda rito at saka aircon. Maganda ang place.
Aircon daw, maganda ang place. Okay, so pupunta pa kami sa ano ba to? Immigration. Punta kami ng immigration. We're here at Chinatown in Singapore. Ang ganda dito, JJ, kaso sobrang init, no? Ilan taon ka na dito sa Singapore?
3 years na, 3 years.
3 years? Nako. Grabe, mayamanin natin pinsang kong pogi, oh. Mga salahi talaga natin. Diba? Ito, marami mga nabili naman din ako. Kaso, sana magustuhan nyo. Pero ang mahal talaga dito sa Singapore. Mas mahal pa ata dito sa London, no? Mas mahal pa sa London. So, punta kami dito ngayon. Hanap naman kami ng food. Masarap naman dito sa Singapore. Ano masarap dito sa Chinatown? Ano mga masasarap na pagkain?
Meron tayong mga Hokkien mee.
Hokkien mee.
Rice.
Ano kaya yun? Ito yung ano nila, border. Yan. Kanilang signage. Sa Chinatown. Napakainit. Parang nasa desyerto. Okay, hanap muna kami ni JJ ng food. JJ yung in-order mo.
Roasted chicken rice.
Roasted chicken rice. Akin din. Same din.
Same din. Tapos meron pa kaming tiger beer.
Diba? Inuman na muna. Kasi sobrang init. Kailangan talaga naming uminom ng malamig na beer. Kain na na! You can see on my backdrop is the Sri Marianan Temple. And behind me is the Arch of Chinatown. And me and my cousin Jaymar, will try the dirty ice cream, the street ice cream of Singapore. So, hello. I'd like to try the durian ice cream.
Durian ice. One durian and one choc chip.
So we're gonna try what's best. Durian ice cream. I haven't tried durian ice cream, JJ. So see, he's got a lot of money. See, so he's cutting our durian ice cream. Let's see how it tastes like. So it's very humid here in Singapore at the moment. So, look at that. Chocolate chip for JJ.
Version of dirty ice cream.
Wow, still social, huh? Still posh for a dirty ice cream. Not like in the Philippines. So I'm waiting for my durian ice cream. But I don't like the smell. But tastes good, durian. So still here in Chinatown. So they've got different flavors of ice cream here. They got raspberry, durian, sweet corn, and a lot more. So
This one is the dirty ice cream.
the dirty ice cream. Woo! Let me taste it. Really tastes good. Really nice. And there's some wafers here as well. If you're in Singapore, you have to try this.
Yeah.
I would recommend this one. Masarap, delicious. Ayan, mga pizza. Dito kami sa harap ng Fullerton Hotel. Kasama na namin ang Miss Singapore.
Hello, I'm
Saka
JJ
Mr.
Hoffman
Yeah.
and Archie. We're here in Singapore.
So, si Mami ay maglalakad na kami papuntang Merlion. Ang world famous Merlion Hotel. Ilang beses ka nakapunta dito, Jay?
Hindi ko na mabilang. Siguro mga 5-6 times na.
Oo. Ito talaga yung it's a must na makapunta ka dito sa Merlion.
Sa tourist attraction niya.
Tingnan nyo naman ang mga buildings sa likod namin.
Nakakalula.
Diba? Kaya ito, papunta na kami sa Merlion Park. As you can see, ayan ang view. Wow, medyo okay na yung hangin, no?
Hindi na mainit.
Hindi na masyadong mainit.
Ang bigat ang siyang kulaan.
Ngayon,
Kasi busog pa ako.
oo. Yan, nakakapag-picture na kami sa Merlion. Kasama si JJ. Ang galing ni Jay na tinuruan tayo ng mga post na cool.
Yeah.
Umiinom ng tubig.
Yeah.
Obligatory po.
Yan. Yun naman pala. So, yan. So, ngayon, tumatawid kami dito sa walking bridge na to. Medyo mahaba siya. Papunta siya dun sa kabilang side. Yan. So, may-meet naman namin si Barbie. Mamaya naman for dinner. Saka si friend ko si Emil. Yan pala. Jay, paano yung Marina Bay Sands? May bayad ba doon papunta?
Pagtataas ka lang. Pero pag yun doon lang sa baba sa mall, wala.
Mga magkano naman yung mga entrance fee?
Kasi usually, pagka sa Skydeck, parang $20-30 sada. Pero pag sa gusto mo kailangan naka-check.
Kailangan naka-check in. Hindi ko talaga yung hotel rates niya. Mahal talaga. Singapore Thai food market, and we were here exactly at what do we call that? Makan place. We call this Alan, and the two Faisal brought us here in this lovely place. So this is their version of their karinderya.
Yeah.
So si Mami,
Mango juice.
mango juice. Ako naman, I'm drinking sugar cane juice. And that's Faisal. Hello, Faisal. Making a vlog.
Oh, hello.
What did you order, my dear?
Oyster omelette.
Ah, nice. And sauce.
You take it, please.
Yan.
You get it.
Hi, Faisal. I'm making a Singapore vlog about food. Say hello. Say hello.
Hello.
So what did you order, Faisal?
I ordered chicken wings.
Yeah.
Stingray.
Oh my god. Stingray. Oh my god, this is smorgasbord.
Yes, there will be this.
Yeah.
I'm not sure what. I don't know what it's chicken wings.
Okay. Okay, so we're just waiting for Alan and Faisal. Okay, see you later.
Thank you, Tori.
So,
Stingray.
Stingray.
Chicken wings.
chicken wings, satay, yummy.
You get.
Chicken rice.
Chicken rice, what's this? Chicken feet, and
Oyster omelette.
alright, oyster omelette. Say hello, Alan. Say hello for Glenn. This is for Glenn and my family. Thank you so much. Thank you, Faisal. Mom. Oh my God, my mom is hungry. Look. Look, we're having a feast here. Thank you for these lovely guys for our enjoying. Yes. This is our. We've got similar but different types of food. So, don't worry, when you go to the Philippines, we'll do the same thing. Enjoy! Hello, I'm with Faisal. We're here at Terminal 2,
Changi Airport.
Changi Airport. And that's Alan with my mom. I'll give you a tour of Changi International Airport. Fly with Cebu Pacific. Flight number KJ. Yeah. Gonna be on check-in number 9. Say hello, Ellen. Hello, Mom.
Hi. I'm full.
Is that your online check-in?
So, yeah, here.
He's online check-in when is it?
Cebu Pacific. Web check-in. Here. Gonna be here. Cebu Pacific. Alright, guys, we're just gonna say goodbye to Alan
Hi, bye-bye.
and the two
Bye-bye.
Faisals.
Bye-bye.
Cambodia.
Guys.
Philippines. Maganda.
Princess Tita.
O sige,
Bye, guys.
we cannot leave na.
Hi, we're getting in the departure lounge. Bye! Kalalampas lang namin ng immigration ni Mami. Ang babae ng mga kaibigan na nililigyan
Oh,
dito
yes.
sa ano no.
Si Alan.
Si Alan, si Faisal.
Si Faisal.
Dalawang Faisal.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Hatid pa kami ng kotse ni Alan.
Oo. I hope you guys like it and I'll see you on my next vlog.